Good morning, class.
Good morning.
All right. Do you remember yesterday in math what we were talking about at the end of the day? Sarah?
Telling time.
Telling time. What were we talking about when it came to telling time? Were we just talking about the numbers or what were we talking about? Elena?
The hands on the clock.
The hands on the clock. Who can tell me what the hands on the clock are? Becca?
The hour and the minute hand.
Which one's which? Do you remember?
The little one is the hours.
And that makes the
Long one, the minutes.
minute. So before we learn about what all the numbers on the clock are, I just want to learn kind of what you guys know already. So we're going to use the clickers and we're going to take a little quiz just to see where everybody's at. So we're going to be using the letters A through D today on the clickers. And if you don't know, that's okay. You can just go ahead and make a guess. Some of them are a little tricky. Okay, so the first one. What time is shown on the clock? Is it 11 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 1:55, or 7 o'clock? This one's one of the tricky ones. Correct. Answer C. Because we see the little hand is just before the 2, so that makes it in the 1 o'clock hour. And the 11 is for 55. Good job. Hour and the minute hand and the second hand. So today we're going to focus on what all the little numbers and tick marks on the clock mean. Does anybody know what these little ones right here are for? In between like the big 12 and the 1. Does anybody have an idea? That's okay if you don't. These are the minutes. So each one of these stands for 1 minute on a clock. So if we move this hand, see how it says that it's 8:22? If we move it just 1 to the right, it goes up by 1 minute, which is the same as 60 seconds. We start here, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 minutes. Who can tell me what these ones mean? The little marks. Brooke?
1 minute.
1 minute. And who can tell me what the big ones mean with the numbers at? Elena?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Good job. So, I'm going to have you guys come up here one by one, and I'm going to give you guys a time to show on the clock, and I want you guys to move the hands to wherever the time is. So who would like to come up first? Elena? Can you show me 11:15? Good job. So she has her hour hand in between the 11 and the 12, where it belongs, and the minute hand at the 3, which means 15 minutes. Who would like? Usually we've been using the iPads to kind of review and do some checks. So today I found a fun app that we're going to use that helps model time telling. Just go ahead and hit the begin. Brooke, do you need some help? Alrighty, good job. And then once you guys are done and feel comfortable with the practice, just go ahead and let me know, and then we will move on to the next part. How you doing, Becca?
Which one's the minute hand? Which one's the...
Remember, the minute one is the long, first skinny one, and then we have the hour hand. This one. Yep. So the bigger one is the hour hand on this clock. Because sometimes different clocks have different size hands. So that's a good question. Everybody's at the settings screen that looks like this. And this time, we're going to do the quiz and keep everything else the same, except for make sure you turn your letter grade on. Because at the end, you're going to bring it up to me and we're going to record it. And that's going to be your grade for class today. Alright class, you guys worked really hard today. So for homework today, I just want you guys to, in your math journals, write down 5 different times you look at the clock tonight and write down what you were doing. So if you get